Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Huggy Wuggy. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Huggy Wuggy, we are going to begin with the face. So I'm going to start right up here and I'm going to begin with the eyes. So the first thing we want to do is make a circle for an eye. Then we're going to leave just a little bit of space and we're going to make another circle for an eye over here. Starting here, I'm going to add a circle going this way and then a circle going this way. And then I'm going to draw a tiny circle inside each one. And then I'm going to color in right around here. Now starting up here, let's draw a little line that's just going to come down to the bottom of the eye. And we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to make a little line that's just going to go down to the bottom of the eye. We'll make a little line that's going to come up. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of follow that line we made. So we're just going to go down and we kind of go up and down and up again. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, over, and up. Next, I'm going to draw some sharp teeth right along here that go up. And we're just going to draw a line that comes down on here. I'm going to color in the sides here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and in. And I'll do the same thing. We go up to a point and then come in. I'm going to bring this up here. We're going to put a couple points, and we'll do the same thing here. We're going to bring it up to a couple points. Then I'm going to bring this in. We'll do a couple more points and come down. And we'll do a couple more points on here and then bring it down. Now we want to draw his little bow. So we're going to make a little curved line. We'll make a line that's going to come down and up. And another one that's going to go down and then up. We'll make those same shapes right inside of here. Then starting here, we'll draw a little line that comes down on each side. Make it come down to here, and I'm going to put some little pointed lines all along here, and then we'll bring it back up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a long line that's going to come down, and we'll do the same thing over here, a long line that comes down. I'm going to make some little zigzag lines right across the bottom just to show some more texture. And then I'm going to bring this up, and we're going to bring this one up. Next, I'll draw a line that's going to go down and in, and then down, in, and up for the foot. Do the same thing over here. We're going to go out and then in, down and in, down and in, and then up for the foot. Starting here, I'm going to make a couple little pointed lines on each side to start off his arms. And then I'm just going to make a long kind of pointed line. It's going to come down to here. And another one that's just going to be kind of long and pointed that's going to come down here. I want to make a little line that's going to come down and in. And one more over here, it's just going to go down and in. We'll add a little line that's going to curve up on each side here. Next, I'm just going to draw a little line that comes down here, and then a little pointed line that comes down here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Huggy Wuggy. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.